Hello, ladies. I think it's been, I don't know, forever, many months before since I turned my camera on and said hello. I've been crafting. I've been doing lots of other things, but just hasn't shared as much. That's very naughty of me. But that's a good opportunity. I actually received the most beautiful, as you can see, pieces by Kim. She has a shop on Etsy called Angela Dream Crafts, and I will link just in case all the details and all the other links to design team members. And I thought, well, I was going to make we're collabing between Kim's beautiful stuff and some of my kits, but I chose to create something with a new kit I created. Well, I say new, but I don't know. I think I designed it back in April, and that's very naughty of me again for not sharing it since. So that's a perfect opportunity to combine the two. I think Kim asked me at the time to have a look at her shop and see if there is anything I like, but there is just too many pretty things to choose from. I'm a very much white, cream, ivory, pink person, so I let her to choose anything she likes, and she couldn't have chosen better. I mean, look at this. I don't think I've held that many laces at once in my hand, so look at that. It will be a struggle to decide which piece to use for each project. There's quite a few bits here, so I probably going to create a couple of things and share different we'll share each one. This is so pretty and so delicate and elegant, so I will probably divide it into creams and whites, and will think, oh my goodness. It's the first time actually when I kind of opened it and I thought that's not that, I don't know, I should really do it on air. So I'm just going to share. It came in this most beautiful paper bag. I'm gonna cherish this Kim forever, I can tell you. I'm going to combine it. There is another book here I've created, I don't know, a couple of months ago, so I'm going to add a bit of these beads onto this one. I haven't shared because it hasn't felt like it's finished, and it's for sure gonna go into one of these bags. This is so beautiful. I don't think I could have combined it as nice as Kim did, but I thought I'd share just for inspiration, because it was so lovely to receive everything in these bags and all these sayings here. This beautiful key charm. And literally now, I mean, I've noticed this. I just had a glimpse because I couldn't resist. And these are so pretty. I will have to think very carefully how I'm going to use them, because I really want these to be kind of noticeable. So I'm sharing this part. Let's see, what is this? Oh my goodness, that's so beautiful. I will probably tie a ribbon around like both sides and cover, I don't know, a paper bag or something. What I've done since I knew about this collaboration, one sec, probably this is making too much noise in the camera. I started just to collect bits and pieces. So I know I'm probably going to use this fabric to cover them. I'm probably gonna put a bit of lace on top. I might cover this as well, although it's a nice kind of antique blue, so I'll see. So that's one idea, and maybe I'll add, I don't know, like a little tag here. I'm gonna cover probably this with something. So this is what I normally do before starting the project. So I think I had like scissors in here, so I'm just gonna use this and cover this with fabric and lace. I'm going to create maybe a little bag, so that was just for my takeaway food. So I've trimmed this and I'll create something with this. This I found, I think, in a car boot sale. So I might combine some of these pieces here. This is just a gift tag, and which I'll cover. This is a gift box. sorry. So I will cover this as well, and that may be like I'll put my journal inside. And so that's just a very quick video. Let me move this away. A very quick video just sharing this and all these pink roses. This is so me, and this is gonna go so nicely together. I've already trimmed everything. I've printed, as you can see, a few of this patterned page just because I think I'm gonna fill the journal with this. It can be a base for like a paper bag, and these are some extra pages to create a journal in 2 sizes. So one is going to be a tall one. Let's see what I've got here. Should be another one this size. I'll find it in a second. And another smaller one, so it's going to be as a topper on top. So that will be one. That will be an extra journal, and I will fill it up with some coffee or tea stain paper, Karen. These are some matching pockets, and as usual I combine like lifestyle images to give it a bit of life. And with this one I've printed twice, so I can create an extra booklet with this, and it comes with loads of other bits and pieces. So thank you for watching. I'm just going to share quickly. Oh, I dropped something. I'm going to go through again. 1 second. I've lost a piece. Yep. I'm going to separate them while I'm with you, actually, so you can see everything. That will be creams, whites, so pretty. I mean, this piece, I will have to think. I've never worked with such large lace pieces, and so I will have to give it some thought. I'm probably going to cover maybe the journal with this. I don't know, I will have to think, but it's beautiful. This piece again, I'm totally in love with. I might ask him to give the direct link to this piece because it's just beautiful. And this one as well, going so nicely together. And oh my goodness, so nice. And this one, oh my god, this is so delicate. I don't know if you can see all the details through the video, but it's just so nice. I don't know how come in England, maybe I'm looking in the wrong places, but this you don't normally get such pretty stuff like in shops, only if you go to like vintage markets or car boot sales. But this is really beautiful. And that's another large piece, quite a long one, so I will have to think what I can use it for. I'm sure I'm going to find, because and this little too, so pretty. This is going to go into the cream pack. And this prettiness, so nice. All these mini roses, really nice. Thank you, Kim, again. I'm going to share with you something. You might see it at the edge of the camera. So this is what I've been doing. Kim, thank you again if I haven't said enough. I'm not used to receive things. I received a lovely birthday gift from Monique with some beautiful stuff. I started to make a journal with it, and I'm just overwhelmed. I'm not used to, I'm using to receive bills in the post, not gifts like that. So it was just very refreshing. So you've seen probably on Instagram, I shared some images of candles I'm making. So this is not the normal usual standard candle, but this is actually a wax that I unroll. So I warm the wax. I can with a spoon create like small circles, and while it's still kind of in the right temperature, you can roll it into a shape. And it has taken me forever to learn this technique and find the right wax for this, but I'm so addicted right now, and this is probably why I neglected papers for a bit. Excuse me, paper and laces, but I totally fell in love with this craft. So this is, I left it outside, I mean in direct sunlight, so it lost a bit of its dark color. Like it had loads of like purple color. So now I know not to leave it near a window. But yeah, so the process was, after I've learned this one, I tried to add some oil, like just fragrance oil, for aroma, but apparently the beeswax isn't holding like good hot throw. So I started to explore this a bit, and oh my god, if I'd known how difficult it is. When I say difficult, it's very challenging craft. I thought, what is a candle? You just melt a bit of wax, add a bit of fragrance oil, a wick, and you're done. But no, so I'm still in the testing process. I've got about, I don't know, 100, 200 candles lying around. These are like samples, but this is, so I'm leaving notes of which wax it is, which wick I've used, what fragrance is, at what temperature I've poured it, I heat it out too. So I don't know if there is any other candle maker in the house, but if you are, then I think you know the pain I go through. So apparently each wax is, I mean, to get a very good hot throw and a good pull, it all depends on the wax you use, which temperature, when you're adding the fragrance, what kind of wick, the jar size and everything. So by now, if I'd known again, I don't think I would have gone that far with candle making, but I have maybe about 12 types of wax, about 30 or 40 types of wicks, and I never meant to spend this money, but I just got really addicted to it, and I just was on a mission to get the perfect candle. So this is just little things. I didn't want to make also just a standard candle. I wanted something on top. So because this is made with one type of wax and this is this type of wax, the wick is not reacting good to it. Too much information, I'm so sorry, but this is why I haven't been around for so long. Other bits as well, but this is mainly the reason. So at least you know why. So again, I'm going to create, just to finish off, I'm just going to create this kit very, very soon. Liam is back to school now, so I have more time during the week. He just went back to school yesterday, so I will have more time during the week, and I will have more time to gather more bits and pieces to create something, and I will share with you. And I'll share, of course, all the details below if you already want to have a look at Kim's shop. Thank you so much for watching.